Look at you. Wait, turn around. Let me see. Give her a gear. What is that? Oh my God, are you serious?
It's Mother Earth's finger! She's giving it to you! Nice!
Getting it! Getting it! Alright guys, we finally made it to the bridge crossing. Just kind of sorting out some issues. Rob just took a little bit of a bypass and actually just made it through, which is impressive. So over here, the diesel's performing pretty good. Haven't had any problems. everything so far has been decent, but not much can go wrong with this thing. Lucky Mud Mower over here, aka Mr. Hoteling, is trying to sort out some wiring issues. For some reason he's not charging. We can't figure it out. We're kind of pulling through all the wiring and been having to jump him here and there, but he's got a wireless winch on the front, and we thought maybe that was causing the draw, because those wireless winches, they tend to always be looking for a signal, so they're always on. So we disconnected that, but they didn't seem to help anything. Still trying to sort through that. Mower Outlaw, how's your day been going so far?
I'm doing all right. I've swapped the flathead over into Castle. It's a 12.5 flathead instead of the 15 OHV I had. It's running, we'll say that. I'm not super impressed. It's doing its job. I think I'm gonna be taking some tips from the man behind the camera and trying to get a little more pep out of that thing.
Yeah, making them breathe a little bit better definitely helps.
Yeah, I think so.
So this is the bridge. This thing is in hard shape. None of us even remotely dare to cross this thing. You step on it, and some of these, half these boards, like these black ones there, and some there. I think Bruce actually stepped on that one and fell into it a little bit. This bridge is done.
One there. Oh, you fucker. It's gonna break.
Yeah, it is gonna break. All right, so I think we're headed out of the bridge area. Everyone's getting their machines ready to go. Mike's still having charging problems, and now Rob, after he drove through that little muddy area, he went on a little ride just kind of down the edge of the bog stream, bog stream, whatever you want to call it. And when he came back, he's been having a funny little skip in his transaxle. We'll see if anyone breaks down on the way out. Hopefully not. Why is he in reverse? Apparently that's the only gear that isn't skipping or slipping, so he's going with it. I might try to see if I can get him just to tether on and I can pull him out in neutral before things get worse. We'll see. Alright, so Rob and I were headed out of here, and I didn't see anything from Bruce or Mike for a little while, so I was like, we should check on those guys. So we shut down, machines are just parked. I walked back and see them sitting in the middle of a mud hole, and they're sitting there. Bruce thinks he lost a belt. He's hoping he lost a belt. I think he's hoping he didn't blow another rear end today. Oh, and by the way, he somehow blew the rear end in his truck on the way here. So that's probably not good. He's not having good luck today. So Mike's machine died because he hit Bruce. Bruce lost a belt in the mud hole. So Mike can't restart his machine, and Bruce can't get out of his way, and Bruce couldn't jump Mike. So Diesel Sears to the rescue again. Let's go get him. So was it the belt? What?
Oh, I got no power.
How?
Dude, I blew the rear end of my truck. He's having electric problems. He's driving backwards or being towed. What in the fresh fuck just happened to this?
Should have hooked up that emergency pull start I hear somebody on the internet did. It seems pretty good. It's good in situations like this.
I even know a guy that let me borrow his pulley for today and I didn't put it on.
And he sounds like an asshole. You're literally dead in the water right now. Oh, you realize if I just left right now, you guys would all be fucked. Sounds so good. Yeah, Mr. Mower Outlaw, you never seem to disappoint. What did you do this time?
I was going good. Second gear was rolling pretty good. I kind of half clutched and went to third, and I think I slipped the belt. And instead of speeding up, I stopped.
A for effort. Power lines are fun.
I got a transmission crank.
Alright, you can let go.
Well, worry about yours first.
So Rob and I are on our way out of here. Not really having any issues. We are going around some of the holes because I'm not going to drag him through every mud hole. There's some that I have to drag him through. So I don't want to put too much stress in the machinery. But however, Bruce has lost his belt again in yet another mud hole.
Son of a bitch!
Oh man. there you go, you guys. First ride of the season. It was very exciting. Started off really good. We definitely all had our fair share of problems. Well,
Except you.
but anyways, that's going to do it for this ride. Make sure you check out Lucky Mud Mowers, Mike Hotelling. I'll link him. Bruce Lockhart, the Mower Outlaw, as always, the infamous, never disappoints. Check him out. I'll link him in the description, as well as Rob S.
Hey.
I don't know what S stands for, probably Rob something. But I'll link him in the description too. Maybe you have to do a dissection video on your transaxle. I'm curious as to what went wrong. I'm sure everyone's curious as to what went wrong.
Yeah, I got reverse, but no forward.
I don't know if he's going to be able to fix it or not. He's got some parts to put it back together if he wants to do that, or maybe throw a new axle on it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment and subscribe. Check out these guys' video. And if you loved the video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.